Ready to supercharge your Shopify sales with an irresistible offer that gets customers buying more? Today, we're diving deep into how to implement a buy one get one free or BOGO promotion on your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. A powerful strategy to boost conversions, attract new buyers, and significantly increase your average order value. First, log into your Shopify admin. We'll be using an app to manage this promotion. Seamlessly head over to the app section in your left-hand navigation menu and click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for BOGO or buy one get one free. You'll find several excellent options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a popular and user-friendly app like Buy Sell Ship or a similar BOGO-focused application. Once you've found one that suits your needs, click Add App. You'll be taken to an app installation confirmation page. Review the permissions and click Install App to add it to your store. This will give you the tools to create your BOGO offer. Now, within the app's dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new promotion. Click on Create Promotion or a similar button. This is where we'll define the specifics of your BOGO deal. The core of a BOGO is buy one, get one free. So, in the Buy section, set the quantity to 1. Then, in the Get section, set the quantity to 1 and select Free. Next, you need to specify which products are part of this BOGO. You can often select specific products, collections, or even set it for your entire catalog. Choose the items you want to incentivize and click Save or Next. It's crucial to set a time frame for your promotion. You can choose an always-on option or set specific start and end dates. This creates urgency and helps manage your inventory. Once you've set your dates, click Save. And just like that, your buy one get one free offer is live on your Shopify store. You'll see it prominently displayed on your product pages, enticing customers to add items to their cart. This simple yet incredibly effective promotion incentivizes customers to purchase more, drives traffic to your store, and ultimately increases your revenue. Start implementing your BOGO today and watch your sales soar.